Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to learn how to integrate an API into REVE Chat. To get started, let's go to the Settings tab and open the API submenu. Here we can create a new API by clicking the Create button and providing a name and description for easy identification. Once the API is created, it needs to be properly configured. For this tutorial, I have used a dummy API to demonstrate the process. The first step is to enter the API endpoint and select the appropriate HTTP method, get, post, put, or delete. Depending on the method, we may need to provide additional details such as headers, parameters, and body. Using this, we can send dynamic values, such as a product ID, access token, or user input, to the external system for an accurate response. For example, in the header, we've added an authentication token stored in an attribute. This helps the external system verify that we are a valid entity. For this API, we are also sending the account number in the body as raw JSON to retrieve the relevant information. To test whether the API works correctly, we use sample variables. Since the authentication token will be sent every time this API is called, we've added a sample value for testing purposes. Now, let's test our API. By clicking Test, we can see the status code returned. If the status shows 200, it means the API call was successful, and we can view the response data. To make this data usable in our chatbot, we save the API response in an attribute. This allows the chatbot to dynamically update product details or provide real-time responses to customers. And that's it. We have successfully integrated an API in REVE Chat. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.